Hey guys, welcome to another new video. Hope you are all well. Today you will learn how to fix your phone if your phone is stuck on iPhone unavailable. Don't worry if your phone is stuck on iPhone unavailable because of repeatedly entering wrong password. Let me tell you how to fix this problem without any passcode or computer. First of all, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Guys, to fix this problem, you have to need another phone. It can be Android phone or iPhone. In my case, I am using my second Android phone to fix this iPhone unavailable error. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your phone browser and simply type icloud.com. Click on iCloud. Guys, it will show a screen like that. You just simply click on sign in. Sign in with the same Apple ID. Guys, please make sure that you are signed in with the same Apple ID on both phones. You have to sign in the same Apple ID that was signed in on the phone which password you have forgotten and is currently stuck on iPhone unavailable. So I am signing in the same Apple ID that was signed on by this phone because this phone is currently stuck on iPhone and I am going to fix it. Signing in. Click on find devices. Guys, in this step it will show a devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID. You just simply click on the device which password you have forgotten and is currently stuck on iPhone unavailable. So I am selecting my device, this device. Click on erase iPhone. Click on continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. Guys, it is asking for two-factor authentication. Please provide your verification code here. Guys, the screen is optional. You do not have to need put anything in this section. Just simply click on next. Simply click on done. Erase started. Wait for a few seconds until your erase being starting. Okay. Guys, you can see your phone has been erasing. So let's remove from this device. Removing from this account, it will help you well set up this phone. Enter the Apple ID password from enter the Apple ID password to remove from this account. Guys, so I have removed from this device. So further there is no need of this phone. Wait until you are erased completed. Guys, as you can see, your phone has been erased completely. Now it is not stuck on iPhone unavailable problem. So let me set up this phone. Simply select your language and select your country. Setup manually continue and connect your device with a Wi-Fi network. It will help you while set up your phone. Guys, I will speed up all this process for wasting your time anymore. Welcome to iPhone. Get started. Your phone has erased completely. It is not stuck on iPhone unavailable, and it is unlocked and is able to use. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.